In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create avatar in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, then tap at settings, and that's where you can easily find this avatar feature. If we tap on it, we'll be able to create our own avatar. To do that, just tap at create your avatar, then get started, then choose a skin tone for your avatar, tap at next, and then you will be able to choose hairstyle for your avatar, also hair color, then outfit, then body type, eye shape, and all these other different settings. And once you've done with that, just tap at done and then save changes. After that, tap at next, and basically that's it. In any time we can tap at edit avatar and make any changes. If you want to create profile photo using your avatar, you can tap right here, and then we can choose our avatar pose, and then we can also switch background, and then tap at done. And now it says profile photo updated. If we go back here to our settings, we can see that the profile photo we have just made is now set as our profile picture on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.